Okay, so good morning or good evening, guys. So today I am going to tell you some asanas which can help you release your lower back pain. Okay, guys, see, I am telling this because you can tell these stretches to anybody at your home who is facing lower back pain. It is going to be really helpful. Make sure you do these stretches daily so that basically your flexibility is going to improve immensely after that. And even if you're going to perform it, guys, see, within like 1 or 2 weeks you're going to get results and your lower back pain is going to be really released. So let's get started. I'm going to show you few asanas. These are really basic and really effective asanas, guys, but make sure you do it in a proper way. Okay, guys, first get down and be on your knees like that and come in your tabletop position. This is a tabletop position, guys. See, breathe in and breathe out. Okay, what is your first asana? This is cat and cow stretch. Okay, guys, so you're going to perform cat and cow with me for at least like 3 breaths. Okay, see, guys, how you're going to do it. Breathe in, arch your back, look up, and then breathe out slowly. Round your back, tummy tucked in and chin inside. Okay, guys, can you see? This is an asana which you can perform for your lower back pain and for your back pain, guys. Let's do it for 3 breaths. Come on, breathe in, look up, arch your back, and breathe out. Round your back, hold it. Again, neutral position and start. Breathe in, arch, and breathe out. Round. Come on, guys, one more. Breathe in, arch your back, look up, and breathe out. Round your back and relax. Okay, guys, so this was cat and cow. You can perform it, guys. You can even do twice a day. It is really helpful. Okay, trust me. And then lay down on your belly, guys. Okay, and then relax. Your hands will be just close to your chest and you will come in your Bhujangasana. Okay, which is your cobra stretch or upward facing dog. How are you going to come up, guys? Never shrug your shoulders. ऐसे कभी नहीं ऊपर आना. You have to come up straight. Okay, never untuck your toes. Always like relax them. Okay, never tuck them like that and relax your toes like that and slowly come up. Breathe in. Take 2 seconds to come up and hold, guys, like that. This is Bhujangasana. You can look straight or you can look up and slowly get down. Take 2 seconds to go down and relax. One more time, guys, one more breath. We are going to do it. Breathe in, come on up, relax like that and slowly go down. Exhale. Take 2 seconds to go down and relax. Okay, guys, so this was your second asana, which was your Bhujangasana. Slowly come on up, guys. After that, you're going to be performing spinal extension with me. So for that, just sit down, guys, on your mat. Sit down and you're going to be performing spinal extension with me. See, guys, your both legs are straight and in front of your eyes. Just make sure you're crossing one leg like that. Place it like that and do this spinal extension with me. So your right hand will be here and your left hand will be supporting you at the back. And just do this twist. This is called spinal twist or spinal extension. It is a really good stretch, guys, to release that back pain and make sure that your back is not for too much tension. Okay, and relax. Okay, guys, even if you're doing your desk job, even if you're sitting on a computer for a long period of time, you can perform these stretches. It will really help you. Okay, other side. Come on, guys, do this spinal extension with me. Breathe in and look back. Look back. Hold it, guys. You can hold it for at least 5 breaths. And then relax. Okay, guys, so you can perform this stretch also. It is a really good stretch. After that, just sit down guys in your Sukhasana. This is your Sukhasana, and relax here in your Sukhasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay guys, so in your Sukhasana, what you're going to do, place your left hand on your right knee and then turn back. This is also a very good stretch to release back pain guys. And neutral position, other side, your right hand is going to touch your left knee and you're going to turn back. Look back guys, nobody's going to look in front. Look back, take support from your hand and look back. The other hand is here to support you. Breathe in and breathe out. One more additional stretch I really want to show it to you guys. It is also really effective. You can try this at your home. Okay, place your one feet basically on your inner thigh and then your left hand is going to touch your right knee like this and you're going to twist like this. See guys, if you can touch your forehead to the knee, it's fine, but you can also perform the stretch like this. It is completely fine to do the stretch like this. You are going to get equal benefits. Don't worry. Okay guys? And you can also go down like that. It is completely fine. But if you feel you cannot go, just be here. Okay? And you can perform this stretch. And relax. Other side guys. Breathe in and breathe out should be proper. Extend one leg and one leg will be on your inner thigh, opposite hand and knee, and then just go down. Bend down guys. Okay? It is not necessary to completely touch your forehead to the knee. It is totally not necessary. Even if you're going to do this, you're going to face a very good stretch in your side body and in your back, and it is really helpful stretch to basically release back pain. And relax guys. Take a breather. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax guys. See guys, if you're going to perform all these stretches, I'm going to make sure I'm really relying on these stretches, and you can perform it any time of the day when you feel that back pain is occurring again and again. Show these stretches even to the elders in your family and make sure they are performing it. Okay guys? Till then, I'm going to see you perform these stretches. Work on your flexibility. It is really important even for your fitness level to improve. Work on your flexibility and I will see you. Take care guys.